Here's another curated recipe from Mon Dessert, Eton Mess. Few desserts say summer like Eton Mess. One of England's best loved desserts, it is a joy to eat. Crunchy meringue, softly whipped cream and marinated strawberries. A simple yet sublime combination. Place the raspberry powder, 15 grams of sugar, 4 grams of agar and 60 millilitres of water in a small bowl. Give it a little stir and leave it to form a compote. Leave some of the best looking berries aside for decorating. Cut the remainder into quarters and add them to a bowl with the remaining 15 grams of sugar. Stir until well combined and let sit, stirring occasionally. In a large mixing bowl, combine the cream and the remaining 15 grams of sugar. Beat on a medium speed until soft peaks form. Place 3 of your meringues in a sealable plastic bag and coarsely crush with a rolling pin or the bottom of a heavy glass. Fold into the whipped cream. Mix the compote with the cut berries. In small tumbler glasses, layer the compote with fresh berries and the cream and broken meringue. Create as many layers as you want. Top with broken meringue and the reserved decorative berries. Enjoy.